So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Blender in MacBook. So guys, if you don't know how to download Blender on your MacBook, then this video is for you. It's quite simple and easy, so let's get right into it. So once you're in your browser, just go ahead and tap download Blender. Then you'll see this page right here. You'll see many options. Just go ahead and tap on downloadblender.org, and once you tap here, you'll see this page again that says the freedom to create, and right under there's the option of download Blender. So guys, since we need to download it for MacBook, just go ahead and tap this option right under here. So once you tap there, you'll see many options. If you have Windows, you can download that. You can also download Windows Portable Zip or Windows Microsoft Store. As you can see, we need this right here. So just go ahead and tap on which MacBook that you have, and once you tap there, you'll see this option. It says your download will start manually. So guys, you can see that the Blender is being downloaded. So guys, that's how you download Blender on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.